There has been a very interesting legal tussle in court today in relation to Daddy Lumba's funeral arrangements. 5 individuals who claim to be from the maternal family of the late musician came to court seeking the powers of the court to injunct the funeral arrangement scheduled for tomorrow. The court listened to their arguments. In fact, in that application, they challenged the legitimacy of the family head to spearhead this particular funeral arrangement. The court listened to their arguments and upheld the application, placing an injunction on the funeral arrangement. Lawyer for the maternal family, Thomas Eshen, expressed excitement following that particular earlier decision.
Simply is that the funeral has been injuncted, and so all arrangements must cease. So it's a call for unity.
So does that mean that tomorrow's arrangements would have to be halted?
Exactly so. And this is the order of the court of the land. Yes, and any disobedience of the order will amount to contempt.
But to their surprise, the court made a review, recalled the lawyers of the various parties back to the court, and in this particular review the court listened to the arguments of the first defendant who sought to say that they had made a lot of commitments in terms of the funeral arrangements and they would want the court to reverse this particular decision. The presiding judge listened to their argument and therefore placed a 2 million Ghana cedis undertaking on the plaintiffs, asking them to pay this money before 2 p.m. To date, but after 2 p.m. they were unable to pay this particular money, and the court therefore lifted the injunction, allowing for the funeral process to commence tomorrow. Lead counsel for the first defendant, Dominic Kojo Osei, said that this particular decision is a huge relief for the family and fans.
Well, it is not just a relief to me, it is a relief for the fans, it's a relief for the family, it's for the children. Because it is no good that at this time, if your father is diseased, there's a lot of litigation still hovering around him.
Reporting for Joy News from the court complex here in Accra, I'm Fatal Bayaga.